Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks box break number 127, and today we had buybacks. Last break we had clear cut the break before that, so today we got the third of the three basic one card products, and frankly, a product I was not expecting to be breaking on the channel again, as the price has skyrocketed, but was recently able to get for a very good price. So today we got a box of 17/18 Upper Deck Splendor. We got box number 222. For those of you who have been around for a while, and for those of you who have gone back and watched older breaks, those of you newer to the channel might know that last year on Christmas Eve I broke a box of 17/18 Splendor, and needless to say, it wasn't a very good box. Dale Howardchuk auto 1/24. So let's hope this year's Christmas Eve Splendor box has something a little nicer. Box 222, and let's cut into it. And the box of Splendor gives us alright, I guess not totally disappointing. I'm quite alright with that. A 12/27 Splendor showpieces, nice piece of tape. Carey Price. Definitely could have been worse, in my opinion, and I must say I am much happier with this year's Christmas Eve box of Splendor than I was last year. So quite alright with that. 12/27 Splendor showpieces. Carey Price. Piece of tape. Folks, if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I will announce that I will have 3 box breaks up tomorrow on Christmas Day, so if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, you're definitely going to make sure that you are subscribed, and don't miss those 3 Christmas Day breaks, and don't miss future box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads when we get back to some of those in the future. So yeah, feel free to leave a like and a comment below, and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for tuning in to box break number 127.